you are in the main desk of this in the front line. So if somebody wants to come from my channel, do you have any offer, special offer from my side, or if somebody wants to refer, if I wants to refer somebody, so you will give a special offer, right? So guys, this will be the best. If you want to visit in this store, you will have a best opportunity to get special offer. And there are some more things to wants to show you. Just follow me, and she wants to explain. This is the okay. So see here. ये बताएं जी. अच्छा क्या ये क्या?
This is spare parts area, you know.
Okay.
LCDs and.
So guys, we have this. We have in this desk. There are some spare parts, accessories, and if you want to, if you want to repair your mobile, if there is any fault comes in your mobile, you can replace it. There are some special. You have a LCD or display wants to change, right?
This LCD Enzo, this is our brand market. This LCD, you know, OLED LCD, and this LCD has some.
What is this? Okay, the display white color and port. So
this LCD has Super Retina display and white color support, multi-touch HDR display with oleophobic coating and mercury free also this one.
Okay, and how much will be for all the mobiles you can use?
All the mobiles we have.
For all the mobiles you have available.
Yeah, available.
Okay.
Huawei and iPhone and Samsung, all the models we get.
So guys, if you have some issue with your display, you can come here and you can visit in this store, and you can ask them, they can replace for you in special discount,
Yes,
right? Okay, guys, they have the repairing service center also. This is the repairing center. Let's visit. Okay, there is some service ongoing, and this guy is just repairing some mobiles, and this is the laptops and mobiles, and everything is right related to electronics. You can visit it, right?
Gaming controls, PS4 joystick.
Okay, for iPad, if there is any issue, you can repair, right? For iPads, especially for kids, mostly there are some faults coming, and there are some broken pieces or displays can break.
Display changing,
so they
IC work, and you know nowadays all laptop users are changing hard disk to new SSD. We are doing that service also.
Okay, for replacement of the parts, right?
The parts, yes, converting into SSD.
SSD, you can replace it.
Yeah, replace.
So guys, you can visit here, and that's the best opportunity to replace your laptop accessories, laptop parts in special discount with the name of Wasim. And this guy is just repairing, he is doing his best. And
data recovering also, some photos are deleted in your mobile, you want
for you can
recover that data also.
Okay, you can recall all the datas. And so let's see for some more things in the store.
And we are going on laptop offers now.
Yeah, there is some laptop offers ongoing.
Use the laptop.
These are the laptop. These are new or used mobile? Used laptops?
Used, and we have new also.
Yeah. These are in
prices in Toshiba. Core i3 second generation, 4GB RAM, 320GB, 599. We include headset, webcam, and bag also. And we are giving 1 month service warranty also.
1 month service warranty.
Yeah, 1 month service warranty also.
Okay, you have Toshiba, Lenovo.
All the models we have HP, Toshiba, Lenovo, Dell, and there is no stock now. Stock finish. Evening come.
You have the new laptop also.
Yeah, new laptop also.
New laptop.
New one.
This is new.
Core i3 8th generation, 4GB RAM, 1TB hard disk, 15.6 in 1639. Include webcam and Bluetooth wired headset, and one bag, wireless mouse pad also.
Okay, great. And You have related to internet some
Yeah, we have nowadays going gaming chairs and gaming
keyboards also
gaming
available.
accessories also.
Okay, these
Gaming-
are all gaming accessories available.
Gaming keyboard.
See guys, so how much is
This is our
this?
newly arrived product, 3-in-1 combo. Combo gaming headset. This one keyboard and gaming headset and gaming mouse and gaming mouse keypad. This is Microdigit, our own brand. This one.
Okay, how much is this?
This is we are selling here 129 dirhams.
129 dirhams. So guys, this is cheap and you can. Oh, there is any warranty covers?
Yeah, 1 year one.
1 year warranty for these keyboards and all. And these are some accessories are here, and this is some stuff.
Network camera.
So these are related to mobiles. You can see here, and then there are some people standing around. And इनके साथ थोड़ी बात करेंगे अपनी ज़ुबान में. अच्छा, आपका कैसा कौन सी जगह को मॉनिटर करते हैं और क्या चीज़
मैं
सेल करते हैं आप?
accessories
स्पेशली क्या चीज़ सेल करते हैं?
एक्सेसरीज में
आप पूरे एक्सेसरी सेल करते हैं. क्या ज़्यादा डिमांड आ रही है आपके
ये
पास?
अभी बहुत डिमांड ये एयरपोर्ट वाला चीज़ है. एयरपोर्ट का कॉपी है, सेम क्वालिटी.
ये कॉपी है
ये सब कॉपी है, लेकिन 1 साल
वारंटी में.
ये
ओके,
हमारा ब्रांड है हीट्स में. ये हमारा ब्रांड
कितने का है ये एयरपोर्ट?
है. ये नॉर्मली हम देता है 135 में.
एयरपोर्ट
अभी ऑफर है इसका. वो हमारा
ये कितने में
broadcast
अभी?
कर दिया.
अभी ये कितने हीट्स का आपकी ब्रांड है, कितने का है ये?
ये 135 में नॉर्मली
ओके, इसकी वारंटी 1 साल है.
1 साल का सर्विस वारंटी मिलेगा.
जी.
सेम लाइक एप्पल,
और ये
वो भी 1 साल वारंटी. सेम प्राइस 135 125 लाइक दैट.
ओके. सो गाइस, आप लोगों को अगर 700 के बजाय अगर ये 135 में लेते हैं तो ये ज़्यादा बेस्ट ऑफर में मिल रहा है. वो भी 1 साल वारंटी में, मिनिमम 1 साल वारंटी में मिलता है. और इनकी अपनी सर्विस है जो. और वारंटी आपकी मोबाइल्स की कौन सी वारंटी देते हैं? एक्जियम की वारंटी है आपका?
देता है, सैमसंग देता है, KGT सब वारंटी मिलेगा.
ओके. देयर इज सम गाय, ही जस्ट वांट टू से, ही इज जस्ट लुकिंग अराउंड. आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं अपनी डेस्क के बारे में? आप क्या चीज़ सेल कर रहे हैं?
एक्चुअली यहाँ पे स्पेयर देखता हूँ,
पूरा स्पेयर पार्ट्स. हाँ, मीन्स
जी.
कि अगर वो कुछ रिप्लेस करने के लिए.
मोबाइल स्पेयर देखता हूँ.
अच्छा, मोबाइल स्पेयर देखते हैं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइस. और so we will have a this was some pending. We want
This
to
is
show
our
you.
offer items here. What covers only 9 dirhams. This type of cover only 9 dirham. And
And
you look
this
here.
is very good offer, and you can buy. That's what are this table is in
9
it's an offer,
yeah,
right?
offer.
All are in 9 dirhams, and this is very less price in the market. If you go to around and you will visit, that's below minimum you will get like 25 dirhams for these pouch and everything. So guys, we have a special discount here in the store, and these guys are very good to sell items. And so thank you for watching us always. Take care. If you have any question, I will just leave the contact number. And what's your name? Sorry.
Jafar.
Jafar. His number I will just drop in the link, and you will find out in the location, and you can contact him anytime on WhatsApp. You have a WhatsApp number, right? So I'll
We
just
have
drop.
Facebook and nowadays Facebook shopping also. There is we have putting too much offer in Facebook and TikTok also. Our WhatsApp number is 056 056
It's okay. I'll just drop your own.
Yeah, 052 744 0100.
Yeah, great guys. I'll just drop his number as well. And thank you for Jessica. She explained well. And there is some guy. He just recently I bought mobile from him. Okay. And take care. Stay blessed. Stay tuned. Always. Bye bye.